the distributor and retailer price, retailer profits, it affects on your product price. Promotion is a marketing tool used as a strategy to communicate between the seller and buyer. Any kind of communication which the manufacturer used to give information about their product or services is called promotion. Hello everyone, I am Meghana from the Department of Commerce, lecturing in Vidhyaashram First Aid College, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the session 7 of Unit 4, subject Marketing Management. In the last session, we have discussed with pricing, meaning and definition of pricing and types of pricing strategy. In today's session, let us continue with the pricing. In today's session, let us discuss with factors affecting pricing policy or pricing strategy, then introduction to promotion. This is the next concept of your unit. Next, meaning and definition of promotion, then advantages of promotion. Let us start with today's session. Factors affecting pricing strategy. In the last session, we have discussed with pricing. What is pricing? What is the meaning and definition of pricing? Then types of pricing strategy. In today's session, factors affecting pricing strategy. The factors which influence in the pricing strategy. A company when fixing the price, some of the factors it influence their pricing. So just look at the price, the factors which influence the pricing strategy. First one, price quality relationship. So when you are going to fix the price for your product, depends on the quality of the product. Depends on the quality of the product, you need to fix the price. So the quality of the goods, quality of your product, it influence pricing. While fixing the price, quality of the product, it influence while fixing the price. So for example, good quality or A grade quality, the manufacturer fix high price for the first quality or A grade quality. Then they fix compared to lower price for the B grade or second grade quality. So depend on the quality of the product, you need to fix the price. So the quality, it influence while fixing the price for your product. Next, product line pricing. That means a manufacturer under a single brand name, they produce different products. A manufacturer produce different products under a single brand name. If the demand for one product is higher, the price for such product is high. The price for such product is also high. Depends on the product line. Depends on the one product. You can fix the other product price also high. For example, under brand name ITC, they produce different products. So if the demand for your product, the demand for one product is higher, means they can fix higher price for comparatively higher price for the other products also. So depends on the product line. It influence pricing of the product. Next, competition. While fixing the product, one of the factors which influence your pricing is competition. You need to analyze the competitor strategy in pricing. Then you make changes in prices. You need to compare with the competitor's price. Then fix higher price or lower price. Or you can fix higher price and give offers for the products. For example, MTR Gulab Jamun mix. So they give offer from past several years. They advertise their product. As seasonal offers, like festival offer. So they give offer from the past several years, but they are advertising as they are giving for some season only. So they fix higher price. Compared to competitors, but they give offers so that it attracts the customers and it helps in increasing the demand for your products. So depends on the competitors, depends on the competitor strategy. It influences your pricing strategy. Next, negotiating margins with the middleman. For the middleman, the person who transport the goods from manufacturer to the final consumers. So you need to give margin of profit or you need to give commission for the middleman. So if the negotiating margin, that means margin of the middleman is high, means you need to add that margin with the price of the product so that it influence the pricing. It influence higher price for your product. If the margin is higher, means it affects in fixing the high price for your product. If the margin is low, you can reduce the price of your product. So this is the factors which influence your pricing policy. Next, effect on distributors and retailers. Effect on distributors and retailers means the distributor margins as well as their profits. So you need to consider their profit as well as their commission. Then it affects on your fixing the price. So you need to add the profit for the distributor as well as the retailers in your product price. So it affects the distributor and retailer price, retailer profits. It affects on your product price. Next, political factors. Under political factors, you need to pay taxes and you need to meet several expenses, government expenses. So while fixing the price for your product, you need to consider all the expenses for the political parties or government. So all the taxes which the manufacturer pays, they add that amount to the product price. So these factors which influence your pricing policy. Earning very high profit. If the company objective is earning very high profit, earning high profit is the main intention of the organization, means they fix higher prices, higher profit, higher margin of the profit so that it increase the price of your product. If the main objective of organization is earn more profit, means they fix higher margin of profit. It affects in your pricing policy. So the company will fix higher prices for their products. So this is the one of the factors which influence your pricing strategy. Next, charging very low prices. In order to sustain in the market, in order to keep ahead from competitors, you will charge very low price. You will charge very low price in order to attract the customer, in order to create new customers. You will charge very low prices. So if the main intention of the organization is retain your existing customer or to attract the new customer, or in order to sustain in the market, you're going to charge very low prices compared to your competitor or compared to market price. So this factors is also influence your pricing strategy. So these are all the factors which influence your pricing strategy. So based on these factors, company, they fix the price for their product. So this is all about factors affecting pricing or pricing strategy. So next concept is promotion. So under 4 P's, product, price, place and promotion. We finished with product and price. The next concept is promotion. So introduction to promotion. Promotion is a marketing tool used as a strategy to communicate between the seller and buyer. Though the seller tries to influence and convince the buyer to buy their products or services. It assists the spreading the word about the product or services, or company to people, company to the people. The company uses this process to improve its public image. That means promotion means you are giving information about your product or company. So company means spreading information, spreading word about the product or services, or company to the people. So here it is the strategy to communicate between the seller and buyers. So promotion is a strategy. Every manufacturer uses this strategy in order to communicate between the producers and the consumers. So here promotional activity, it communicate the manufacturer what they produce and how it is benefited for the consumers. So it gives the information about your product or services, as well as it gives information about the company. So the consumer will get the information about the product. If it is necessary for the consumers, if it is needed for the consumers, so they will purchase the product. So the promotional activity, it gives the information. It helps the manufacturer to reach the final consumers. It gives information about your product. Either it may be a new product or existing product with a innovative feature. So it gives information to the users. Meaning and definition of promotion. Activity that supports or encourage a cause, venture or aim. In marketing, promotion refers to any type of marketing communication used to inform target audience of the relative merits of the product, services and brand. That means promotion is a communication. It's a strategy or tool which used to communicate, to the required user. Here, in general, any activity that supports or encourage cause, venture or aim. That means any activity which encourage or supports your to achieve your objective is called promotion. So in marketing, it refers to any kind of marketing communication, which the manufacturer used to give information about their product or services is called promotion. Here you are going to reach your target audience. You are going to give information about your product or services to the target audience. To reach the consumer or target audience, the types or any kind of activity or communication which the manufacturer use is considered as promotion. So promotion means any kind of marketing activity. Next, promotion refers to the entire set of activities which communicates the product, brand or services to the user. The idea is to make people aware, attract and influence to buy the product in the preference over others. That means here the main intention of the promotion is to motivate or influence the consumers to purchase your product over the other preference. So here the main intention of the promotion is to give information and influence and create awareness about your product. Many people, they don't know about a new product which are introducing into market. Through promotion, you can communicate the target audience or the people to about your product or services. So you can motivate them to purchase your product. So this is all about promotion. Next, the objectives of promotion. First objective, to present information to the consumer and others. The main objective of the promotion is to present, to give information about the product or services to your target audience as well as the other people. So the main intention is to give information. For example, a product name called magnetic ear stickers is available in the market to reduce the weight. Majority of the people, they don't know about the product because the lack of promotion. So in order to reach the final consumers, you need to take the promotional activity. So here the demand for such products, in this example, the demand for such products is high in the market, but due to lack of promotion, the product does not reach to the final consumers. So the main objective of the promotion is to give information about your product. Next, to increase the demands. Through promotional activity, you can increase the demand. You can influence the consumer. You can motivate the consumers. You can make them to purchase your product so that it helps in increasing the demand. Next, to differentiate product. To differentiate product, it is the main objective of promotion. The customer can identify your products in the market. So the varieties of products are available in the market. So in order to differentiate your product from the other products, so promotional activity, it helps to differentiate your product through the various promotional activities are available. So through the promotional activity, the customer can identify, they can recognize your product so that it helps in differentiating your product while purchasing the product. So these all are the main objectives of promotion. Next, benefits of promotion. Now we know the objectives of promotion. What all are the advantages or benefits from the promotion? Just look at here. First one, increase the brand awareness among the consumers. So when you are promoting your product, it helps in increasing the brand awareness. So it creates brand awareness as well as it increases the brand awareness about your company as well as the product. Next, provide relevant information. relevant information. In promotional activity, you need to give information about your products. What is the product and how it is benefited for the consumers. So how to use such products. So in promotion, you need to give information. You need to give relevant information to the final consumers so that the customer will get the information from the promotional activity so that they can decide whether to purchase or not to purchase. So it gives relevant information about your product. Next, increase in potential customers and traffic of customers. Through promotional activity, you can influence the consumer. You can motivate the consumer to purchase your product. Through various attractive promotional activity, you can influence the consumers. You can motivate the consumers to purchase your product. So it helps in increasing potential customers. So regular or continuous promotional activity helps to maintain or helps to sustain the consumers, helps to sustain the customer, as well as it increase the new customer also. So and traffic of customers, it helps in continuous increase in the customers as well as to maintain the customers for your products. So promotional activity helps to encourage, motivate the customers to purchase your product, and it helps in increasing the potential customer as well as traffic of customers. Next, for increase in profits and sales. When the demand for your product increases as well as the customer increases, automatically profit as well as sales also increases. So through promotional activity, you can increase the customers, you can maintain the customers, you can maintain a stability in the customer, as well as it helps in increasing the sales, profit for your product. Next, the introduction of products in a consistently competitive market with the help of promotion. For example, similar products are available in the market or substitute products are available in the market. When you are producing a new product, when you are entering into new market, constantly competitive market. So already the competitors are exist in the market. So in order to keep ahead from your competitors, promotional activity helps to keep ahead from your competitors. So introduction stage, while introducing a new product to the market, promotional activity plays an important role. So you need to take more and more promotional activity in order to give information to the customers, as well as you need to give offers for them so that it helps in increasing the demands. It creates the new customers. So while introducing the new product to the market, promotional activity plays an important role. Your quality of the product is good as well as pricing is also efficient, but the promotional activity, if you doesn't take a promotional activity, if the manufacturer does not promote your product, the product will not reach to the final consumers. So in order to create the new customers while introducing a new product, promotional activity plays an important role. So these are the benefits of promotion, benefits or advantages of promotion. Now you know the promotion is essential for all the business organization, whether it is a new company, whether you are introducing a new product or existing product, every product needs promotion. So continuous promotion or promotion plays an important role in reaching the final consumers. So if you stop promoting your products, automatically the demand for your product will come down. So the customer or various substitute products are available in the market. So customer will switch from your product to competitor's product. So you need to promote your product continuously in order to sustain in the market. So promotional activity plays an important role in every business organization, so that whether it is a small company or large company. So it depends on size of your organization. You need to take the promotional activity. If you are running a large business, means you need to take more and more promotional activity. A small business can require a small amount of promotional activity, but you must take the promotional activity in order to success in the market. So promotional activity plays an important role. In the next session, let us discuss with the types of promotional activity. There are various types of promotional activities are there. So let us discuss in the next session the various types of promotion as well as the factors which influence your promotional activities. When the manufacturer or organization deciding the promotional activity, various factors which influence in promotional activity. When deciding the promotional activity, various factors which influence. So let us discuss in the next session about the factors which influence promotional activity as well as the types of promotional activity. This is all about today's session. Let us meet in the next session. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.